Greetings, Internet. It is I, the real Randy Chavez, and I'm coming at y'all with a Tesla stock update video. Since yesterday's video, we have had a little bit of an update letting us know that Tesla will actually be also joining the S&P 100 as well. There's not going to be as many shares bought from them as the S&P 500. Obviously, they're weighted, I think it's only about an extra 300,000 shares, which, again, is still a lot. But going over what I went over yesterday, I did not get this out. I think it was like an extra 24 million shares that had to be bought by Friday. And if I'm looking at the volume today, I'll show you guys right now. Oh yeah, we were down a little bit today, a percentage, which doesn't make, or it kind of does make sense, because now that they have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to buy, and based on the volume, it doesn't look like the institutions have been buying. Now, again, maybe the S&P 100 could have bought all of theirs today and it wouldn't have made a difference, because $300,000 is very, very low. Or I'm sorry, 300,000 shares is very low. But what I was going over yesterday, as far as where is it? I have the sales data in here. Okay, there we go. Yesterday was the 14th. If we go over yesterday's numbers, oh God, there's so many. Looking at Vanguard, the SPY, Fidelity, BlackRock, and Schwab, that'd be a combined total of, so 26 million shares, 26.5 million, plus the 300,000 of the S&P 100. So you're looking at 26,800, almost 900,000 for them. You're looking at 26,900,000. It's about 55% of the average daily trading volume, because the average daily trading volume has gone down pretty significantly. So you're looking at all of this now doesn't have to be bought in 4 days. Now it has to be bought in 3 days. I'm very, very bullish short term. I'm in the camp that says, okay, because it's going to be such a squeeze on this week, next week might be a little bit of a dip. Again, it's not a professional financial advisor. This is just my opinion. But as far as Tesla, the company goes, Giga Berlin will be the first to use their new structural pack architecture, the 4680, which is the world's most advanced cells made on the site. Both front and rear body castings and advanced paint shop. Elon Musk did tweet, said, warning, with so much new technology, production timing is naturally harder to predict. So we're not actually 100% sure when Giga Berlin will be up and running, especially with those new 4680 battery cells. So you're probably looking, I still say Q3. There's some very bullish people that are like, no, Q2 of next year will start producing, which they might. SpaceX also wants to raise capital, so that, and the reason why I'm going over SpaceX right now is, one, because Elon Musk owns 54% of it, and also because there's a bunch of polls on Twitter of people asking, should Tesla buy part of SpaceX? And I think that's a great idea, especially if they want to do like a electric jet, which Elon Musk has teased since 2010, Iron Man 2. I think that's when that came out. But they want to raise capital so that SpaceX reaches a $92 billion valuation. And since Musk owns 54% of SpaceX, like I just went over, he would then, if they are successful, be the richest man in the world, surpassing Bezos. There's something very, very interesting about one of us. When I say one of us, I mean like just nerds. Like, he was playing Cyberpunk this weekend. He was playing that and he tweeted about it, and he tweeted the Pikachu shock face as well. And also, I didn't mention yesterday, the Pikachu shock face had like a very, very wicked curve on it. And because he can't legally tweet anything about the stock, tweet the Pikachu excited face and then that curve. I think he's also trying to message us subliminally, saying it's going to be a crazy couple of days. Tesla also brought 29 Supercharger stations live in China. They brought that on today. So I don't know how many actual Superchargers are on each station. It's probably 4 or 6. So if it's 4, figure an extra 116. If it's 6, 54, and 174. I'm sorry, my math is so bad right now. Outside of that, there is not too much else. Is pretty quiet on Twitter, but I will keep you all updated. That is it for me. I would buy right now if I had more money, but I do not. Let me show you the rest of my portfolio real quick to see what they did. Oh shit. So again, NWVO is more of a dice roll for me, but Unity, NNOX, T-Dog, Tesla, I would put more money into that, as well as Tesla. Again, if I had more money, which I do not, write me out. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Comments are good for the YouTube algorithm. I hope this helps. I love you all. Bye.